Hello everyone, this is Lucy, and today in this video I will be showing you how to remove the background from video in Davinci Resolve. So first I will show you how to remove a background if there is a person, and I will show you next how to remove from a moving object like a car. So here we have our first video with a girl in it. I will show you how to remove the background here first. So we have this video in our timeline. So we just need to go to effects, and here in OpenFX, search for 3D keyer, just right there. Now drag it to your video, and here is a little arrow next to this FX. Just click on that and click on Open FX Overlay. So you just need to click on that and start drawing anything, any line in the place where you want it to be removed. And like that, you have just removed the background from this video. So next I will be showing you how to remove a moving object, and it's a video of a car. As you can see, there's a moving object in this video. In order to remove this, you will need to click on this window tool right here with an oval and 4 dots, and you need to click on pen tool. Now with this pen tool, start selecting the moving object just like this. Start drawing around it to select it, and make sure that you end the selection where you started. So like that, you have selected the object. Now click on this tracker tool right beside the window and just click on this play button called drag forward, and it has now tracked this object. So now what you need to do is go to your right side of the screen and right click on it. Here go to add alpha output, and a new dot will appear. Now just connect these two blue dots and you will see that you have just removed the background from this video. So these are two simple methods to remove background from two different videos, and that's it for this video. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful, and I will meet you guys in the next video.